Besito, besito. What is up, you guys? Welcome to a new video. This video is a day in my life and you guys are gonna come along. So as you saw, I just woke up and I have hiccups for some reason, and now I'm gonna just brush my teeth because you don't want to have that morning breath, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my face because I have mascara and stuff from yesterday. So let's do that. So now what I'm doing is I like to brush my hair in the mornings because, you know, you move a lot when you sleep and your hair gets tangled, especially if you have long ass hair. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then from there I think I'm gonna start cleaning the room a little bit, and then I'm gonna start bathing the dogs because they need a shower, and I'm gonna shower both of them. So yeah, let's start cleaning. All right, I actually need to start washing, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go wash, and then we're gonna continue cleaning the room. So come along. All right, so it's laundry day, so we're gonna start washing because I need clothes by the time I go to the gym. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wash. Okay, before I shower the dogs, I'm gonna make myself some breakfast because a girl gotta eat and I haven't eaten. So let's go make some breakfast. Alright, so breakfast is done, so I'm gonna just eat and then I'm gonna continue doing what I was doing. So be right back. Alright, first dog, this one. Look at the puppy. Alright, here, Mr. E.T. Boy, if you don't. We're gonna dry her off now, because if we don't dry her off, she's gonna smell like a wet dog. So let's dry her off. You ready? Okay. Next dog is my baby, and she's shaking because she's scared. Let's go ahead. Alright, second dog done. I just gotta dry her up. ¿Verdad, mama? You gotta dry her up, the dear baby. And then she's good to go. ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo, peluda? Alright, so I'm gonna just do a little bit of excuse me? I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup before I head out to the gym. And you're probably like, why are you doing your makeup before going to the gym? Because I want to look pretty. The fuck? and I know I'm not the only one, so I'm not gonna go full on glam. I'm gonna just put like a little bit of concealer and stuff. So let's get to it. And usually I play music while doing my makeup, but today I'm watching these fools, their new video, and I'm giving them a shout out. But yeah, let's do our makeup real quick. So this is the outfit. Look. And then I'm heading to the gym. Alright, so I'm just waiting on my friend to get down from her house because she's changing into her gym clothes. And then from there, we're gonna start heading to the gym. I'm not gonna record the whole gym thing because I already have a video up. And since today's Monday, we're gonna do arms. And yeah, so I'll see you at the gym.
And in conclusion, may I please remind you that it does not say RSVP on the Statue of Liberty.
Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I just got home from the gym, so now I'm gonna start showering, and then I'm gonna take off my makeup, and I'm gonna start folding my laundry that I washed today. And that is all for today, a day of my life. So please like the video, subscribe, and comment below what other videos you want me to film. Give me some ideas. So that is all for today. Love you guys. Bye.